Good morning, everybody. Jeff here. Hey, I have some deals that I wanted to show you here today from Lowe's, and these are their deals of the day. These are online only. And I wanted to take a look here at this first kit because this is an interesting kit here. So for those of you doing any kind of automotive work or just working with giant nuts and stuff that need to be busted off, you have here, this is a 20 volt max combo kit with an impact wrench, an LED flashlight, and a 10-piece impact socket kit. And what I like about kits like these, this actually also comes with two 4 amp hour batteries. So let's just take a quick analysis here and see if this is worth it or not. All right, so as you can see here, the socket set alone is worth $44 here. That's what they normally charge for this. Then, of course, if you look at the 4 amp hour batteries, you can see right now you can get a pair of them for $179, or they're $99 a piece, either way. So that kind of gives you a breakdown for how much this whole kit is worth. So if you look at this model of half-inch impact wrench, this is a very tightly held exclusive Lowe's model. And I even did an internet search and couldn't find anything. So apparently it's some obscure model and closing out. I don't even know. But it doesn't even show up at Home Depot. In fact, if you go to Home Depot and try to look, the closest we could find is this other deal, which is actually a pretty decent deal because you're getting 41% off. Because you are getting 41% off on this impact wrench over at Home Depot. And they're throwing in the 5 amp hour battery, which, as you know, is worth $150. Sometimes you find it on sale at $119, but still, to get these two in this price range is pretty good. However, this impact wrench at Home Depot, which looks reasonably, the same, this one's brushless. This one only has, I think, like 330 foot-pounds of torque. Yeah, 330 foot-pounds right there of fastening torque. Okay. Whereas if you come back to Lowe's, you can see right here, they're telling us that we have 400 foot-pounds of torques. But the other thing is that Lowe's is not saying whether or not this is brushless. Let me see. I just usually search for the word brushless to see, but see, I don't see it anywhere on here. So I don't know if this is a brushless kit or not. They're not telling us. And usually when they don't tell you, then it's probably not brushless. So that's the only other caveat. Some people don't care. Okay, now coming back up to the top, let's take a look at this. Let's see if this is a good deal or not. So we have the 4 amp hour battery from DeWalt. And so they're charging $94.99, and they say, well, it's normally $129. Although I think that's sort of bogus. I mean, maybe they might try to be charging $129 all the time, but in actuality, let's go look at Home Depot. At any given time here at Home Depot, you can see they're charging $99 for this battery. But even better than this, the deal I like better than this, typically here at Home Depot, is the deal for the 2 2s and the 2 4s for $159. I mean, that's a smoking hot deal. Why in the world you would pay $99 for one battery when you can add 60 onto it and get 3 more batteries here? And these little 2s are great to put on like your impact wrench or sometimes even your drill if you're just to keep the weight down. But this, I think, has always been the better battery deal. So coming back to Lowe's, this battery deal, I don't think it's all that great. All right, yeah, you're saving $5 off, but I'd rather get the XR from Home Depot. Okay, back up to the top here. Let's take a look at this because they're saying there's up to 50% off. So they have a couple of different toolbox kits. These are not VersaStack. But look at this. You get 50% off of this kit right here. So it's normally $40, and they've got it down to $20 for these two. So you get a little transparent top here, a little organizer. Oh, so they are saying this is a 20-inch toolbox here. Yeah, too bad it's not a VersaStack, though. Okay, now here's something you can investigate here. So, the other day we showed you some of those cobalt hedge trimmers. Like, I don't see them, like these here. Probably not this exact model, but we showed you the one that it was full price online, but it was on clearance in the store for like pennies, you know. So I come in here and I like to look for these guys here that'll say clearance on them. So here you've got this blower, and it looks like they've got it 21% off from $199 down to $157. But I'm willing to bet in many of your stores, if you go into the store, you may see it even much lower than this. So I just wanted to call your attention to it. Here is the item number that you can search on any search window there in Lowe's. It's 1083767. But again, like I said, what we've been finding a lot of lately, and you should see some of the videos we uploaded earlier this week about that, is that you'll see something online here at one price, but you get into the store and it's a lot cheaper. Some of them you wouldn't even know they were on sale or on clearance at all. And so that's why you got to get out there into the store to find this in person and just see. Some stores get really, really crazy and go super low on the pricing. And sometimes if you look at things in the app, for whatever reason, the Lowe's app as opposed to the Lowe's website, we often see prices cheaper in the app than you do in the website. A lot of very strange things have been going on the last few months here, like this, both with Lowe's and with Home Depot. But you definitely want to check our previous videos that we talked about this. Okay, so here's some of the videos I was telling you about, like these two here, where, see, it was lower price in the store than it was online. So you make sure you want to view some of these videos here. And then we uploaded this one last night here to show you how to replace your washing machine shutoff valves when they're really rusty and corroded. And these were connected to polybutylene piping, which made it even worse. So here you can see just some of the tool kits we've showed you about, the really hot deals over the last couple of weeks, like this one here where it was a whopping $175 off kit over here on the far right. And then that 3-tool woodworking kit from DeWalt that was $100 off and still is, if you can find them in your Lowe's. So in these videos, we show you where to go in there and how to find them. So make sure you binge watch some of these videos here as well. And if you like this video so far, if you found this informational, hey, would you do us a favor and give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And man, look, if you're not subscribed to us, look at all of these different videos that we put up for you all the time. And lots of great videos on remodeling your homes and your kitchens and your bathrooms and tiling and engineering disasters like we showed you here the other day with this plumbing fail. So make sure if you're not subscribed that you click on that subscribe button and click the little gray bell icon next to it. That will tell YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.